Hey guys, it's Amy Jo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your gel plate to make a gel plate print to create this little journal. I think we'll start with blue. And once it's all folded, we're going to be removing a lot of the paint so that we have white spaces to write. And we're going to do it really randomly. I'm not seeing a lot of white, so I probably should have used better masks, but that's okay. That's okay. Next, we'll do fluorescent green. This is totally transparent, so it should be nice and light. And we'll use our homemade masks to remove some of this. And line this back up. Oh, that looks so cool. Doesn't that look neat? And we'll use a little bit of transparent yellow. Like the green, this should really be very, very light and see-through. And we'll do the same thing. Remove paint with masks. Oh, I love that. Okay, now we're going to flip the page and we're going to do gel print on this side as well. I'm thinking for this one, I'm going to start with the green. Use our masks. Same process as before. The goal is just to remove some of the color. Okay, so we have a lot of white. Next, we're going to do the blue. And we'll really have to remove a lot of this. And you can see I'm not putting much on. Line up our print. Okay, that's much lighter. I also see a lot of blue left on the plate, which means the yellow will pick it up. So we had blue, green, yellow. Now we have green, blue, and yellow will be our last layer. Okay, here we go, last layer. Okay, ready? Here we go. Yeah, I can't see much blue at all in that. Look at the difference. So this one was green, then blue, then yellow. And this one was blue, then green, then yellow. Okay, next step is folding. So we take our paper, fold it in half, then fold it in half, and in half again. And then you can go over these just to make the folds more reinforced. Now, once you've done all of your folds and you feel good about it, you fold it in half, and then we're going to cut from here to here. After you have your cut, you fold it in half, bend it, and you have your little journal, book, or zine. My lines are not lining up great there, so I'm going to work on that. This is much easier with regular copy paper, and I should have used that. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do one with copy paper. Okay, we start by folding it in half. So you fold it in half lengthwise, then fold that in half, fold it in half again. Okay. So it looks like this. Then we're going to fold it in half again. Then we're going to cut from here to here. And we have our cut. We fold it in half, press, and then fold it all together. It really is a lot easier with copy paper, so it's thinner. So your finished product looks like this. You can use these as pockets to store things in. I usually glue mine, but since we printed on both sides, they look good on the inside and the outside. And I'm going to use mine as a little journal. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.